We're hitting that YEAGARUP Dunes today, YEAGARUP Beach. If the Warren River mouth is closed, we'll probably continue up along the beach.
Someone coming.
Oh, yeah. And maybe even try a hand at Calcup Hill to get out. But we've already rubbed up against 2 national parks.
You got room up ahead?
We're
there?
currently, yeah, you should be able to tuck in behind me here. We're currently in the
Well done.
DN. Yes. Hey, how do you say that national park again? That French one? Dien Castro. It's a hard one.
Don Picasso.
Don Castro National Park, and also the Warren River National Park. We've cut through both of them so far. Alright, well, we're nowhere near the actual sand dune yet, but it's a bit of a highway, people coming off. Bumpy old track, this one. I've got mixed feelings about this, to be honest, because we still haven't got that center diff sorted. It's been back to Toyota, and there's a warranty claim that actuator needs replacing. So thankfully we don't have an expensive repair, it's all covered under warranty. Obviously on the gib we got some water in that actuator somehow. Well, somehow. Probably because of all the water crossings we did. Oh, how awesome is this? YEAGARUP Dune. Treetops coming out the top of the sand dune, love it. We've got Steve and Catherine in the Everest. We're in the 200. Nice boggy, soft sand. We've seen heaps of people already coming back down. It's gonna be fun.
What's happened? You're not coming up the dune. Nah, he's ignoring me. What's happened? Uh-oh. Oh, it's easy to get out of the car.
This is why we don't do things without you guys. Let's bury the Everest. Poor Steve.
That's all right. It's all part of the fun.
Not a good start. We haven't even hit the sand dune yet.
It's the best car to start. It's just testing the equipment.
Yeah, make sure all the equipment's good to go.
Yep.
There you go. Oh, you're up. Ah, that's a bit higher.
Big track, eh? How's the arm going?
Yeah, it's a bit tender.
Yeah, it would be. This is super bumpy, eh? Big wombat holes everywhere.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like when no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Well, there you go. YEAGARUP Dunes, YEAGARUP Beach, and the Warren River. And the river mouth was closed so we could make it across. Now we're just gonna have a nice little cheese and bickies lunch, let the kids go for a little bit of a swim and a paddle. Man, it was super windy, hey? It's like just this white haze everywhere. Tried to put the drone up, got a little bit of footage, but yeah, it was way too windy to be honest. The drone didn't like it. So anyway, how was that, Steve? Very good, mate. Very good. Very good. Cheers.
Oh, wait, sorry, Miranda. Oh, oh no.
That's all the full drive track will do.
Okay, sorry.
I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.
Just looking for the exit on the beach here. We decided to continue along, see if we can find this calcup hill. All right, Warren Beach Road. Not too sure. I might be getting confused with Calcup Road, Warren Beach Road and all the rest of it because I'm not that familiar with the area, but this is the beach exit, so here we go.
Hang on, everyone. Let's go.
I'm gonna have to take another stab at this.
Oh, we got Sam flying.
Reload.
Do you need it in low gear or high gear?
Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go!
Work it, work it, work it, baby. Go, 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 go.
Come on.
Here we go. He's gotten further than last time. We're over, we're up, we're in.
Whoa.
Holy moly.
Wow. That was fun. Well, whether this is Calcup Hill or not, I'm a little bit unsure to be honest, but it's irrelevant because Steve can't get off the beach anyway. So I'm gonna go back, yank him out, and we'll go back the way that we came, which in itself is gonna be a challenge anyway.
Oh, there we go. Woo! She's out.
Yeah, let's go, be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go, let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.
Where are you going?
Other than getting sandblasted, I'm gonna go rescue the Everest again.
Poor Everest.
Oh, I'm just gonna take up the slack on the line. You got your engine on?
Yeah, I'm going. I'll give it a little edge as well.
Yeah, just a little bit. I might actually let a bit of loose out, back down the hill a little bit, eh?
Okay, mate. Just let me know when you want me to go.
Alright, slack's taken up. I'm gonna start pulling you, so just start idling up, eh?
Okay, mate.
That's it, mate, yep. All good, we're out.
Go for that.
Yeah, that's the first time I've used the winch.
I know, I said to Catherine, you'd be impressed to see if it even works.
Yeah, I knew it worked.
Oh,
I just
okay.
haven't put any load on it yet. But
That was nice they came
Yeah.
to help.
So the Max tracks, instead of me putting them on and off our roof every time Steve gets stuck, they're in the back of his car now.
He's done well though.
Yeah,
up
no,
to this point.
yeah, definitely. It's super soft, eh? It's super soft. So he's just knocked a bit of pressure out his tyres too. He was at 15 and he's gone down to 10. My go-to is 15 and that's where we're at. And if I get in trouble, I'll knock him down from there. But it's actually, this is weird backing off, reversing downhill, eh? Down a sand dune. It has been a fun day actually, it's been really
Yeah,
good.
it's been good.
Are we going back to
great.
camp now?
Yeah, back
Yep.
to camp.
Yep.
Yeah,
Love
the
it.
mighty Betsy.
Miss Piggy, come on Miss Piggy. Good sports bro.
You pay back there?
Oh, which way? Left or right, Miranda?
Oh, I don't know.
We're going to go left.
Go, yeah. Oh,
Hold on.
Oh, God. Oh, we might be stuck.
Come on.
Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, we're there. Woo.
Just got a treat of me, that's all it is. When in doubt, use the right foot. Right foot? Huh? Just right foot?
All the way.
Lots of right foot.
Lots of
Lots of right foot and hold on.
I just held on all the way down.
Yeah. Fun, eh?
Yeah.
That's fun.
It's fun. It's yeah.
Nice, well done.
Very good.
Oh, I think that's the hard bit over, eh? Now we're just going to bounce our way out.
That's for that.
Alright, come on. Alright, we're just on the bouncy track. Time to get back to the caravan park and have a nice cold beer, I think.
Yay!
What do you reckon about that?
Yep, absolutely.
We do. Yeah. That's the hard bit done. Far out.
Oh, my breasts are bruised. Lord.
Where's the last little push over the main sand dunes?
Oh, you okay, Isla? Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, this track, honestly, man, this has got to be one of the most bumpiest sandy tracks I've ever been on.
Girls
out,
wear
man.
triple bras on this one. Not good.
Insane.
Yeah.
Just wombat holes everywhere.
It's not good.
That's what happens when people don't let their tyres down properly, eh? And then it just gets worse and worse and worse and worse. Probably doesn't help that we haven't had hardly any rain, so it's super soft.
Are they still there?
Let's
You
take off
okay?
our seatbelts.
No, do not take off your seatbelts. Oh. Good Lord.
So I was reading in something online or in a brochure or something. These sand dunes are travelling 4 metres per year into the forest.
Wow.
It's crazy, eh?
That's a lot, yeah.
That's how windy it is. It can move an entire dune system 4 metres a year.
Yeah. Huh.
Which is fun when you get a bit of speed.
Yeah.
eh?
Not so bouncy. Woo, careful.
Love it. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's being away from the city. I mean, it's nothing special. It's just a gravel track in a national park, but it just puts a big smile on my face. I love it, hey?
Maybe we should move to the country, hey?
No!
It's an ongoing argument between me and Miranda about moving to the country or living in the city.
We have it here. It makes them happy being in the country.
Well, I think we've earned this one. A couple of chooks should do the trick. It's coming. Cheers, mate. Well done.
Cheers,
I've
mate.
gone from wine
Indeed.
We got out of every trouble we got into. That was a good day.
Well, I did.
Yeah, that was a
With
good
your
day,
help.
man. That was
But anyway,
good.
it
That
was
was
good,
fun.
good fun.
Yeah.
Good fun. Yeah.
It's hurting your arm. What about your breasts?
I think they're bruised too. I think I'm going to have a...
eyes. Face.
I like that you think my breasts are that big, Steve, that they would hit me in the eyes, but no.
Going
They
over-
only hit about here on the chest. That's
Going over
about
the-
as
going
far
over
as it
those
goes.
lumps.
Tickle that chin.
They're not going to hit any chin. They're not going any higher than that. But the seatbelt, at one stage, we dipped and it was like...
I was a few times I came over someone like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bottomed out once actually.
God, I was bottom out
Yeah.
all the time.
No, I hit the bob stops once.
Yeah,
Yeah.
once, is that it?
Yeah.
Oh man, that was like
bottomed out.
constantly.
Where ya? The
Constantly.
bang.
Bang.
Well, you just got standard suspension in there.
Where is
Yeah.
your car, actually?
Behind the it's in
Oh,
the behind the
okay. I
cabin.
was like, hang on.
Last night I just left it there, but
Yeah.
I'll put it there.
It's still on the track, is it? You just walk back.
We'll recover it tomorrow.
Look at it. Wow.